Tótem gives you access to powerful computers in the cloud where you can run your apps and play your games anywhere without having to buy a new PC. First, browse the marketplace and find the perfect cloud PC for what you want to do. Customize and subscribe to one that works for you, and we'll create your machine immediately. Then, connect to your cloud PC with our app using your device. Here you can turn on, shut down, and connect to your cloud computers anytime with a click or a tap. Finally, work, study, and play anywhere. Transform any device into a powerful computer where you can run your software, transfer files, browse the internet, and play your games on demand.